everybody, our video was disastrous on how to show you how to do hydroponics. So Noah is going to explain to you. This is Noah. Say hey, Noah. And this is his hydroponic that he got started. What we getting it started, I forgot the other pot shells at home, so I got to run home and get it. But he already started too. So what did you do, Noah? Explain what you did.
So I soaked these. No, we cleaned the. If you have algae and stuff and you didn't wash it, you have to clean out the algae with vinegar and.
Right, you have to clean out your unit, right?
Yeah.
And then what?
Then you have to soak these.
You have to soak the pea pods, which is the brown thing, right?
Yeah.
And then what do you do? Once you, then what do you do? Once you do that? Okay, I think you got it in there. So then what do you do? Once you soak.
Once we soak them, we have to soak them.
You have to add your what?
Add our plant food.
Yeah, which is what? A and B.
A and B.
Right? And then what do you do once you add your plant food? You add your what?
We
add your
seeds.
Right. And how do you put your seeds in?
You don't gotta use tweezers, but
normally you use tweezers, right?
Yeah.
But you learn how to do them with your hands, right?
Yeah.
So what kind of seeds do you have in there right now?
Collard greens
and lettuce, right? So this is Noah's hydroponic. We will be doing another video at my house where he sets up mine, because right now it's kind of we have Miss Thing here. It's kind of very hard to do a video with her because she wants to be a part of it all. She wants to be the boss.
She's gonna throw the fish. She's gonna throw a fish. She doesn't get what she wants.
Right. So we have to do another video. Shh, Elena. Shh. We have to do another video without her.
Stop.
This is just to show you Noah's hydroponics. So this is, we're gonna, once I gotta run home and get the other pods once his mom gets here, and we'll fill the rest of them up. And he's gonna, this is what he's growing, cause he has, who you going
Russian. To? For my Russian tortoise, Mr. T.
So he's growing this for his Russian tortoise, Mr. T. So this is what he's growing, guys. He's growing collard greens, mustard greens, and lettuce. So we are using the A and B solution. Actually came with the system. I usually buy my own solution, but we're using his that came with the system because we need to use it before 2 years.
You're gonna get out the video if you don't act right.
Right, cut it out. So we have to use this solution up now because it's on the second year. So we need to get the solution used. I usually buy my own. I have a particular one that I like to use, but we need to use this up. So we're using these to get started. So he's already started 2 of them. Another thing he has to do is cap them, right? When you first start, he first starts, he needs to cap these until they get some growth.
Hello, guys. Hello. This is in your video.
Okay, no. So now, these are capped. They're ready to go. And so now all he has to do is just wait and see if they grow. And he has to continue.
And if they don't, we'll have to
add more seeds, right?
Yes.
So
give her the film.
So what we do is every week, I think. Is it every week?
Or mom.
No, or dad. Is it every week? I think it's like every week or every 2 weeks. We'll add some solution. Like I said, we'll go more in depth with and more detail when we are able to do this alone, because he does it very well when he's by himself. But he has kind of distraction because his brother and his sister are both here.
And they left for
right. So it's kind of hard for us.
It's kind of wet.
Yeah, it's kind of hard for us to do it with them in the way. So
and with them being a distraction.
Right. So we need to get. We're gonna do mine.
Also, you don't put a seed with other seeds.
Exactly. You don't mix seeds. Exactly. No.
What happens if you do though?
They won't grow. It was probably something might grow, but it won't grow right. So we're gonna get the other pods. When his mom gets here, I'm gonna go home and get the other pods. We're gonna finish his off. So his is ready to go. We do have it on.
What happens if the seed grows to this?
So we're gonna switch it to the grow. So here on his it's power normal. Let me see. Maybe we should have kept it on power normal. Germination.
We don't want dirt.
So I think we're gonna keep this on power. Pump, switch. So I think maybe we should keep this on power low for a while.
We don't need you right now, right? What?
So we're gonna keep it on. We'll keep it on the grow. It doesn't matter, really. So we're gonna keep it on the grow for now. So gonna keep this on. We're gonna see how it goes for the next couple of weeks. We're gonna finish this off later because, like I said, this is kind of a little impromptu video, and Noah was kind of distracted. Cut it out. So what you gotta say, Noah? Anything else before we stop your video?
And also, you don't want to put too much water over the red line that says max
Right.
level,
Right.
because you might make the system short out.
Right. So this is Noah's system. He's had it for how many years? You had it, Noah? It's your second
2?
year? 2 years. This is his second year of growing. It's an idio. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
But I don't have the others because they fell out in my closet where this was collecting dust.
Right. So he has the 7 pod. This is his second year growing. His second year growing for you, Mr. T. So we will see how it goes. Now, like I said, maybe we're gonna have to read the instructions on his because I'm not sure.
I don't think this has a purpose because Mr. T might be hibernating.
Oh, so your mama might get this then. Your mama might be growing lettuce for her.
Yeah, because Mr. T hibernates even though he's not outside.
Exactly. So
I don't get the point.
Right. So we got the 7 pods. We got the room temperature. So
but Granny,
Granny,
what happens if this girl tries to grow over the...
It's grown over. You saw when it grow. It just grow over. You saw mine when it grow over. It always grows over.
But what happens if it tries... What happens if
we have to
tips?
We have to tip it down so if it grows over or when it starts to grow over the lettuce and then we got to cut it. Remember? Don't you have to cut your lettuces and stuff when it gets too big?
And you don't have to cut it all the way down.
Right.
And that will just kill the plant.
Right. So we are done, guys. I just wanted to show you his hydroponic. He's already got it started. And then hopefully next video we will be able to do a correct video.
And not with the other 2.
Right. You all have a good day. Be great. Be safe. Don't worry about tomorrow. Y'all don't worry about yesterday. Folks, today the Lord is giving you peace and blessings. Saying what? No. Bye.
Bye.
Grow something, right? Bye.